Now we will see demonstration of character functions in SQL Server. So here I have a product feedback table which includes the feedback ID, product name, customer name and the feedback text. And here I am inserting the values 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the feedback ID. What is the name of the product? Who is the person who has given the feedback and what is the feedback? So we see that there is excellent performance, great ergonomics, too loud, display quality is good, value for money and so on. Now let us, so first of all we are going to see in how many feedback did we have any comment for battery. So I am looking for, that is in the feedback text, I want to see where is battery, how many feedbacks have battery. So now starting from battery, I want to capture not the complete feedback, but what is the feedback around battery. So now here what I'm trying to do is, I will first of all get what is the character index of the battery. Okay, from there I want 20 characters. From there I am looking for 20 characters. So here let me show you what will be the answer for this one. See, here in the first feedback, excellent performance but battery life is short. Now that is appearing at the 28th character. Here this is not at all appearing in the other feedbacks. So here now substring, as in it will take the first 20 characters starting from battery. So here it is picking up the first 20 characters. From the word battery itself, and here I can filter it by the wherever the term battery is there. I can change all the customer name along with their feedbacks to capital letters. Here all the names are changed to capital letters. I can search for customers whose name starts with S. So left, that is the first character has to be S. I can also change this, like for example, what if someone has specified their first name as the small. So now this will always make sure that here it's only capital S getting compared with a capital S. For both the sides I have to make it equal. Okay, let's count the total number of words in feedback using the string length difference. So now we are counting the words, that is the words in the feedback. And how do I do that? First of all, I calculate the entire length, and this is the length, this is the entire length, and this is the length when I do not include the spaces. So without, that is I replace all the spaces with nothing, and then here I include, if I then this will give me how many ever spaces are there. So how many ever spaces are there plus 1 will give me the number of words that are there in the document, in the feedback. So how can I know the number of words? So here, like for example, let me take one review. Something like it is good. So now this will give me 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. These are 10 characters in total. And if I replace this, if this is not there, then it is 8 characters. So 10 minus 8, and then I should always include the last word also. So plus 1. 10 minus 8 plus 1, 3. There are 3 words in the document. This is how I can roughly know how many words are there. Replace will replace any single word with anything else. So now here, too loud when typing is changed here to too clicky when typing. I can also trim the extra spaces that are there. So L trim, R trim, or just the trim will give me trimming. Extra spaces will be removed from the end. Concatenation. So here 3 strings are be concatenated. What is the product name? Feedback by. Who has given the feedback? So like this I can concatenate 2 or 3 strings together. Reverse will reverse any particular string. So this is short. This is short is life. Battery life is short. So that's what it. The entire feedback is reversed. So if I am looking for any feedback which has the word good, percentage and percentage, that is specifying the regular expression matching here. So there are, this specifies good. These 2 feedbacks specify good. Now let us get the ASCII characters. So here S has the ASCII character 83, R has the ASCII character 82, capital A 65, capital N as 78. So this is application of string functions depending upon a particular domain.